beautiful weekend, and we have quite a bit of change on the way. So,
well, and that's the thing, right? As we turn the page into fall, and you're all of a sudden like now you have the sweaters, now you have the jackets, and then on top of all that, Olga, you also have to think about the occasional umbrella, because now you're talking about rain that we have to be prepared for.
Exactly. Get the umbrellas ready, because we are tracking some widespread rain, and because of that, next weather alert has been issued. This is going to be for Tuesday and Wednesday, as we're looking at some widespread rain and some chilly temperatures too. So numbers are going to be dropping nearly 20 degrees for some areas as we head into early mid next week. We're already feeling the drop in temperatures, pretty significant actually across our region. Even this afternoon, numbers had dropped nearly 20 degrees for some areas. So it is feeling a lot more comfortable this evening. Here's a look at high temperatures today, 70s and 80s for most of us. As we head into tomorrow, pretty similar. Once again, we'll be feeling 70s and 80s. So here's a look at your highs on Sunday, mid 70s from Santa Monica into Manhattan Beach. And as we head into places like Pasadena, low 80s, as well as in Whittier, Glendora tomorrow afternoon, you will be at 81. Downtown Los Angeles, 78. So we are running slightly below average, but of course it had been so hot. Temperatures feeling a lot more comfortable today and into tomorrow. Again, not a whole lot of changes as we head into Sunday, with low 70s in San Clemente and low to mid 80s from San Bernardino into Lake Elsinore. Another issue we're dealing with, of course, are the winds for a few areas. So wind advisory is in place, and this is going to continue until noon tomorrow. So we're looking at some strong winds for places like Santa Clarita, as well as the Antelope Valley. Mostly impacted, though, is Santa Barbara area and San Luis Obispo. But here locally, we're all looking at the northwest winds up to 15 25 miles per hour, gusting up to 40 miles per hour. And then, of course, the big story is going to be the rain, that widespread rain that's going to start moving in for northern areas by Monday, making its way down into parts of Ventura County as we head into late Monday. Overnight hours, we continue to see that rain pushing through. And for that Tuesday morning commute, this is when we are expecting the strongest rain. So you can see those very heavy rain cells moving through the LA area and Ventura County at 7 in the morning, continuing for that rush hour commute. As we head into the 10 a.m. hour, we're seeing the bulk of that heavy rain moving through the Inland Empire and continuing to push off to the east. By the time we get into that Tuesday evening commute, things are going to be looking a lot drier, but still we'll have a little bit of lingering moisture into the latter part of Tuesday and potentially even into early Wednesday. So again, Tuesday, Wednesday, that next weather alert for the chilly temperatures and the widespread rain. Tomorrow's going to be comfortable for the LA-OC metro area, 78 degrees, but then we're going to be in the mid to upper 60s for those cooler days Tuesday and Wednesday, and then warming just a bit as we head into later in the week. So still below average. Here's a look at the valleys, 87 degrees on Sunday, turning into low 70s by Tuesday into Wednesday. And we'll take a look at the rest of our regions coming up in just a few minutes.
All right, Olga, thank you.